Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 29th, 2024, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Champion Homes, a leading producer of factory-built housing in North America. Joining us is John, our Senior Analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Champion Homes has just released their second quarter fiscal 2025 results, and there's a lot to unpack. Let's get started.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Champion Homes reported net sales of $616.9 million for the second quarter of fiscal 2025, marking a 32.9% increase compared to the same period last year. John, what are the key drivers behind this impressive growth?
Absolutely. The significant increase in net sales is primarily driven by a 31.3% rise in U.S. homes sold, reaching 6,357 units. This growth is supported by the regional homes acquisition and strong demand in the community sales channel. Additionally, the average selling price per U.S. home sold increased by 4.5% to $92,400, contributing to the revenue boost.
And how about profitability?
Champion Homes saw a 19.8% increase in net income, reaching $54.7 million. The earnings per diluted share rose to 94 cents, up 19.0% from the previous year. The gross profit margin expanded by 190 basis points to 27.0%, reflecting higher average selling prices, increased captive retail sales, and lower forest product costs.
Operational efficiencies and strategic initiatives. Moving on to operational efficiencies, Champion Homes reported an adjusted EBITDA of $74.2 million, a 26.2% increase. However, the adjusted EBITDA margin contracted slightly. Can you explain this, John?
Sure. The adjusted EBITDA margin contracted by 60 basis points to 12.0%, primarily due to increased selling, general, and administrative expenses, which rose to $99.7 million. This increase is attributed to the regional homes acquisition and higher variable compensation. Despite this, the company managed to repurchase $20 million worth of shares, indicating strong cash flow and a commitment to returning value to shareholders.
What about their strategic initiatives?
Champion Homes continues to focus on its digital, direct-to-consumer strategy and retail footprint expansion. These initiatives, along with strong consumer demand for attainable housing, have positioned the company for significant growth in home sales.
Market position and future outlook. Looking ahead, Champion Homes has a total backlog of $427 million, up 5.6% from the previous quarter. What does this indicate about their market position and future outlook?
This growing backlog suggests a strong demand pipeline, which bodes well for future revenue. The company also reported $570.2 million in cash and cash equivalents, an increase of $21.3 million this quarter. Additionally, the board of directors has refreshed the share repurchase authorization to $100 million, signaling confidence in the company's financial health and future prospects.
And what did the CEO have to say about these results?
Mark Yost, the CEO, expressed satisfaction with the quarter's performance, highlighting the company's ability to generate healthy margins and cash flow. He emphasized the success of their strategic initiatives and the strong consumer demand for their products, which have been key to their growth.
Key takeaways. In summary, Champion Homes has delivered a robust performance in the second quarter of fiscal 2025, with significant growth in net sales and net income. Their strategic initiatives and strong market demand have positioned them well for the future. John, any final thoughts on their investment prospects?
Champion Homes is showing strong financial health and strategic foresight. With a solid backlog, healthy cash reserves, and a commitment to shareholder returns through share repurchases, they are well positioned for continued growth. Investors should keep an eye on their ability to manage SG&A expenses and maintain margin expansion.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, Please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Champion Homes' performance in the comments below. Until next time.